Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas painting. First, select your canvas, considering sizes like 8x 10 inches or larger. Next, choose your paint type. Acrylics dry quickly, while oils offer longer blending time. Don't forget essential tools like a variety of brushes, a palette for mixing colors, and a container for water or solvent. Having these basics ready ensures a smooth start to your artistic journey. Before painting, proper canvas preparation is key for vibrant results. Start by applying 1 or 2 thin, even coats of gesso to prime the surface. This creates a smooth, non-absorbent base for your paint. Ensure each gesso layer dries fully, which usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Once dry, lightly sketch your intended design onto the canvas using a pencil, keeping lines faint so they don't show through your paint. Now for the fun part, applying paint. Start with your background colors, covering larger areas first, then gradually move to finer details. Mix your paints on a palette to create a wide range of shades and textures. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brushstrokes, layering techniques, and blending methods. This exploration will add depth and character to your painting, making it uniquely yours. Once your masterpiece is complete, patience is crucial. Allow your painting to dry thoroughly. This can take several days for acrylics or even weeks for oils. After drying, apply a protective varnish to shield your artwork from dust and UV light, while also enhancing its colors. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Proper care ensures your painting lasts for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.